You have to climb?
Yeah, you have to push it. Yeah.
I'm scared the spider's gonna fall. What are you going to make it do?
Nothing. I just want to see if there's a monster up there.
What's up there? There's nothing.
Nothing?
Why'd you say rat?
No, I was just playing. Alright, so, peace out. Peace.
Is this a rival?
That's what my friends do. Ryan. Bro.
See that?
Back up. Bro, what is that?
Yes.
Right? Look what you did. Look what you did.
Ryan, stop. Are you bleeding, bro? Why you're... Oh, my... Look.
Why? Oh, what
Ryan,
happened?
you need lotion.
You heckin' need
When's the last time you
lotion.
Today.
Stop lying.
When?
Today. When I woke up.
Bruh.
After I put my...
It's talking about Tuesday. 3 months ago.
It's
Tuesday.
Friday. 3 months ago?
Yeah, 3 months ago Tuesday.
It's February and it's Friday.
How do you remember?
You said Tuesday. Yes, I remember.
I said today.
Back in December. 3 months ago.
3. You right? So
I said
So
today.
3.
Yeah.
So
You said Tuesday.
I said today.
wait, hold up.
You said Tuesday.
If it was 3 months, shouldn't it be November?
You are a
Bitch,
liar.
shut up.
See, it's February now, so January, December, November. So you're dumb.
You said January. Wait, what? Do you know your
I went
month?
back. It's February now. It was January last month, and then it was December, and then it was November. You're dumb.
Did you tell him to meet here?
I don't. You text me in 6th period. I couldn't do anything because his phone's not. Or he might be in tutoring. I asked him this morning if he was going to go to tutoring.
Go check. Can you check? I'll
No,
be
I
right.
did. I told them if they could bring the thing and tell them to meet me in front of the school, and they said they had a meeting so they can't do anything.
Did you see him walk that way yet?
No, I was waiting in front of the school the whole time.
Okay, I'll sit right here and just wait for him.
Hey, hey, I like bitch, who is your mess? Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro. Hey, that bitch don't wanna be friends. Hey.
Baby, no, Get me, get me.
You give me.
Let me get him. Let me get him.
No, me.
No, look.
Bro, put him down. Give me him. Give me. No, Raya.
What do you want? Is it me?
You got to stand and hit him.
Oh my God. Sorry, Auntie. I need to relax. Like, relax.
Advertising. Sam's Town. Advertisement.
They're not paying me. They might get mad.
Hi, cutie pie.
It's tax return. Let's go. It's tax return. Let's go. Got the tax return. Let's go. Let's light it up.
Say sorry, Chief. I don't
Sorry.
think. No, not you.
Sorry, Auntie.
Alright, so what do you
Today we're gonna make some popsicles with these. So what you need to do is grab this, right? You open this. You put one in here, then you just start smashing it. You know what you do after you smash it?
Yeah. And then?
And then you put it back in.
No, and then you put it back
Put
in
this
here.
back.
Yeah.
And then you close it, right? And you pour all the juices in here. You wait about, wait for put it in the oven, wait for it to freeze. You put it in the sink after.
Alright, I see. Put it back where you found it.
Yeah.
I bet it tastes good though.
Now we drink. Now we go back to our parents before we get lost.
Yeah, I was gonna say we get lost.
Better.
Oh, it's Hi. What's up, TK Mahogany? Woo!
Ryan Tristan Williams.
Hi.
So what you want to do now is you want
Okay,
to
we had a different kitchen, but I'm not gonna ask no questions.
you want to grab your iPad.
What are you making, Ryan?
Pancakes.
Really? So how are you gonna put it back?
And then what you do after that? You set it. You watch
Look, he's recording you. Good job, Vincent. Stop tricking him, TK. Hey, welcome to my room. Okay.
It's my bed.
Okay.
It's my teddy bear.
Mhm.
That's my light.
Uh huh.
The books I don't read.
Uh huh. Hi.
That's my light.
Vincent.
I said teddy bear. Come here.
Who's he calling a teddy bear?
Where are they? Can't see. Oh.
What we're doing today is we're making cookies
And
with berries. Alright, so which one?
TK's cooking.
Right?
Yeah.
Nope, you need a little bit of
And you
this.
need to come over here
TK.
and then chop it up in the bowl. And
What TK's cooking?
then what you do is you get your cookie out. You want me to season it with just salt or?
I don't know, bro. This is your show.
Alright, so what you do is, where's my knife?
Yeah, use that.
We gotta go. We gotta
Yeah,
go.
we gotta go.
Ryan, push you.
I have to try this with me. Bah!
What?
You guys think I can fit?
Ryan, stop. Ryan.
Hyacinth.
Yeah.
Yes. Tom? Okay. Thank you.
Vroom, vroom. Peppa Pig.
Yeah, I saw him.
TK, this is where.
What's all
TK, this is where we filmed the. This is where we filmed the thing.
Oh yeah. Flashbacks? Flashbacks?
Oh. TK, remember? TK. TK, stop! Ow!
Stop!
It's ow! That hurts. Let me pull your hair for that.
Stop.
It hurted. Oh, I'm bleeding. Bro, it stinks and I'm gonna.
New dinosaur.
What's that, Ensign? What's its name?
Free Rex.
T-Rex?
Dang, Free
Come on, let's
Rex. It's called Free Rex.
get it. Free Rex. Free my homie Rex. Gang, gang, gang.
Bro. Guys, dance battle. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hi, Baby Nolan.
I know, not this. Like
I used to be a samurai.
Oh, I accidentally grabbed two. No, but
That was hurt. That was scary. Did that hurt?
no.
Dang, that must have hurt.
I don't know what you're saying.
I like this.
Nah.
Ensign, no! Ensign!
Sorry. No, we just
You in? Can you push us a little bit, Deja?
Oh,
Thank you.
ugly. Ow! Action! Did you just eat that bro?
We gotta go. Come on, Ensign.